Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen carbonara, an incredibly easy and delicious meal. First, gather your simple ingredients: 1 package of instant ramen, 1 egg yolk, and 2 slices of bacon. You'll also need some grated Parmesan cheese, a pinch of black pepper, and just a small portion of the ramen seasoning packet. This method simplifies the classic carbonara technique, ensuring a quick and satisfying dish that's perfect for any time. Now let's get cooking. Prepare your instant ramen noodles according to the package directions, but remember to drain most of the water, reserving about 1/4 cup of that starchy noodle water. This starchy water is crucial for our sauce. Simultaneously, crisp up 2 slices of bacon in a separate pan until golden and crunchy. Once cooked, crumble the bacon into small, delightful pieces. These will add a wonderful texture and flavor to our carbonara. Next, we'll create our luscious carbonara sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 egg yolk, 2 generous tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Add about 1/4 of the ramen seasoning packet for an extra layer of flavor. Slowly, and while whisking continuously, pour in the hot, reserved noodle water. This gentle tempering prevents the egg from scrambling, creating a beautifully creamy, emulsified sauce. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the hot, drained ramen noodles directly into your prepared carbonara sauce. Toss the noodles quickly and thoroughly to ensure every strand is coated evenly with that rich, creamy goodness. Stir in your crumbled bacon, distributing it throughout the dish for bursts of savory flavor. Serve your ramen carbonara immediately, perhaps with a little extra Parmesan and black pepper on top. Enjoy this quick, comforting, and incredibly tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.